Hello and welcome to Messing About with Models with me, John. Today I'll be building the baseboard on my new layout, and you can see how easy it is to put together a Tim Horn baseboard. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be assembling one of my Tim Horn baseboards for my new layout. If you want to know more about what I've got planned, then just click the link that's sort of up here. I've already done a little bit of preparation work, partly because I didn't actually think about all of this before I ordered the baseboards. So as you can see from here, I've already cut out a hole in the end section for the trains to go through to the fiddle yard. But if I'd have thought about it, I'm sure that Tim would have laser cut that nicely for me, probably done a much neater job. Likewise, I'm planning on fitting a DCC Concepts controller panel to the front, so I've had to cut a hole in the front section here to allow that to slot in like so. Again, I could have asked Tim to have done that, and I'm sure he would have done that. Likewise, I'd originally planned to use the DCC Concepts power points locating dowels to both locate the baseboards when I join them and also to transmit power between them. However, they didn't fit, so I've had to get some of the sort of regular baseboard alignment dowels, which fit as standard. Again, apparently if I'd asked him beforehand, he would have changed the holes on the board so they could fit the DCC Concepts ones. Lesson learnt. Also, what I've done is I've had to print out a copy of the track plan to put on the layout, just to sort of, from any rail, just to sort of see where all the points are and make sure that they're not going to be on any baseboard joints, etc. One of the things that Tim can do is he can actually laser etch your track plan on your board, which makes that a lot easier, especially when it comes to locating points and drilling holes for point motors to be fitted, etc. So I think the moral of the story is before you rush out and order your Tim Horn baseboard, think about all these sorts of things that you might need, and Tim, being the nice guy that he is more than happy to accommodate that. Now, in terms of the tools that you need, it really doesn't get much simpler than this. You just need some wood glue and damp cloth to wipe away any excess, and a screwdriver. Now, as luck would have it, my electric screwdriver died, the battery died on it just before I started filming, so I'm using a drill driver. But what I've done is I've set the torque level down relatively low so that it's not going to put too much pressure on there. You get with your package all your screws that you might need, and of course everything is screw holes that you need are already pre-drilled and already have countersinks done on them. With this type of photoplank board, it is relatively straightforward. Because it's only 15 inches wide, I'm not necessarily going to be putting in the cross bracing, which Tim does supply with the boards, because I think it's going to be strong enough as it is. It's already using 9mm thick ply, and I think that's all okay. Maybe once I've done the wiring and laid all the track, I might see if that will they can be put in without necessarily cramping any of the point motors or other electronics which are under there. It is going to be fairly cramped anyway because, like I said, it's only 15 inches wide. Starting point is with the base section, which will be the main part of the track. Very easy to slot together. Don't know if you can see, but everything is written with what the internal face is, so you know which way round everything goes. So you can see exactly where everything is on there. Let's get started. What I would recommend is that you do a dry run, just slot everything together without the glue to begin with. It just means that you can know where everything's going in advance. And all you've got to do is use these packing pieces, drop a bit of glue on them, and put them in these holes just to create the right space for your alignment dials. Right, and there you have it. In just over 3/4 of an hour, a fully assembled baseboard, solid as a rock. And if someone like me with my limited skills at carpentry can put this together, then anyone can. If you want to see the next stage, which will involve laying the track, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when the next video is up, which hopefully won't be too long. See you in the next one. Bye.